In a significant development following the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, the centre has moved swiftly to ensure continuity in the Education Ministry. Acting on the advice of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Draupadi Murmu has assigned the additional charge of the Ministry of Education to Cabinet Minister Prahlad Joshi, who will continue to hold his existing portfolio. He currently holds the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and New and Renewable Energy portfolios. Well, listen in to what he said about the decision.
I accept this responsibility with sense of duty and humility, and I am thankful to the Prime Minister, and under the guidance of the Prime Minister, I will try to perform to the best of my capacity under Prime Minister's guidance.
The appointment comes after weeks of unprecedented student protests that culminated in Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation over the alleged NEET paper leak and examination irregularities. The month-long agitation led by the Cockroach Janata Party or CJP ended after the third round of talks with the centre following the government's acceptance of the protesters' key demands. Soon after the breakthrough, the protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar was officially called off. At the press conference after the meeting, the CJP leaders said that all of their demands have been accepted by the government. Government representatives reassured that the 5-point charter presented by CJP will be considered. Listen in.
कि हम एजुकेशन के एग्जामिनेशन के रिफॉर्म्स के लिए जो आपका चार्टर है उस पर हम गहन चिंतन भी करेंगे और आपके डेलीगेशन के साथ बातचीत करके जो कुछ भी हम डेलिब्रेट कर सकेंगे वो हम करने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो ये इनकी डिमांड्स थी। मेरे ख्याल से इन्होंने जो डिमांड्स रखी थी उन सबको सरकार ने सहानुभूतिपूर्वक माना भी है और एक्सेप्ट भी किया
है। वो भी शॉर्टली सरकार ने अश्योर किया है कि विड्रॉ हो जाएंगे। साथ साथ इन्होंने ये भी हम लोगों ने एग्री किया है कि फ्यूचर में कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा किसी भी प्रोटेस्टर के खिलाफ एंड सीजेपी की जो टीम है, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, उनके खिलाफ।
Taking responsibility for the crisis, Dharmendra Pradhan announced his resignation just hours ahead of the meeting between CJP and the centre, highlighting his commitment towards students, teachers and education reforms for more than 4 decades. Well, he said the aspirations and expectations of the country's youth is paramount for him, and he had accepted responsibility since the beginning. He also expressed anguish over recent 20th of July protest and said that his resignation is to protect the interests and future of India's youth. The leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, reacted to the development. Gandhi welcomed the decision, congratulated the youth of the nation and expressed hope that the government would now take concrete steps to reform the education system.
उसको तो जाना ही था और अच्छा है कि वो गया, बट अब कॉन्क्रीट स्टेप्स एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बदलने की सरकार को लेने पड़ेंगे।
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge described the development as a victory for millions of young Indians demanding reform in the education system. Former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal termed the resignation a victory for democracy. Activist Sonam Wangchuk, whose 26-day hunger strike helped galvanize the movement, also welcomed the development and credited India's youth generation or the young generation for sustaining the nationwide campaign.
इस आंदोलन को जरूरत पड़े और कुछ आगे लेना हो या फिर अभी रोकना हो, जो भी करें बहुत ही शांति से करें। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं सरकार से कि इस बदलाव के साथ ही बहुत से और बदलाव भी लाएंगे शासन चलाने के तरीकों में भी।
Responding to the resignation of Pradhan, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the country, youth and students are far more important than any position. He also added that the Modi government respects the sentiments of the country's youth and is committed to implementing the necessary reforms. Delhi police has removed all roadblocks and barricades across the protest site at Jantar Mantar after CJP called off its month-long agitation.